Hello. How you doing? What's going on, man?
Not much.
Someone wanted us to check on your welfare. Thought you were asleep or something like that. What's going on? What? I couldn't hear
Just
you.
trying to check in, I guess.
Trying to what?
Check in.
Check in? Where are you checking in at? Where? Where are you at? Where's here?
The now, I guess.
You know what I'm saying? You know where your car is parked right now?
Yeah, I can see. Right.
Okay. Does this car belong to you? Okay. You're in a no parking zone. Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from my dude's house.
Where's that at? I think they're calling for us. Where's your dude's house at?
Halstead.
Where?
Halstead.
Halstead? Well, where are you going now?
My house. My parents' house. On Olive.
On Olive? Okay. You know what today is?
Oh.
Like the day of the week?
Sunday. Sunday?
No, it's not Sunday. Today's Wednesday. So what are you doing parked here if you're on your way to Olive?
Good question. No idea.
Do you know how you got here?
Sure.
Yeah? You had any drugs or alcohol or anything? No? Okay.
I'm tired, though, that's true.
What's that?
Tired.
Tired? Yeah, when did you sleep last?
Last night.
Okay. Too tired to drive?
No, definitely not for sure. At all.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what, man. I'd like to get you on your way. I want to make sure you're not impaired. We'd like to do a couple quick field tests with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
That sound good to you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and just take off your seatbelt, step up. You know the SFTs, right? We'll take them over here and just knock them out real quick. Any weapons in the car around you?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Stand here. Shoes, put your feet together. Arms at your sides. All right. I'm gonna have you follow the tip of my finger. Okay. Don't move your head. Just follow your eyes. Don't look past my finger. Look at the tip of the finger. Okay. You have any medical issues at all?
No.
In your
Except
legs?
for my foot. Yeah.
Okay.
I had surgery done on my foot.
Okay. Give me a favor. Take your hat off too. Just to make it look. Yeah. Thanks, man. All right. Tip of the finger. Okay. Do you have any medical issues at all?
When I first walked up on him, he looked like he was like real drowsy. I don't smell any booze or anything, but his eyes were kind of bloodshot.
Yeah.
And he seemed a little confused as to exactly what day of the week it was, and he knows where he's coming from, where he's going, but he couldn't explain why he was parked here. So he says he's real tired. Maybe he's real tired. We're gonna find out.
Any other issues? Nothing like that, right? No. All right. Let me follow again from you. Okay. Stand. One foot in front of the other, okay? Punch your left foot, put it behind your right foot, okay? Can you do that for me? Stand like this, thank you. Hands at your sides. You can take a series of 9 steps. When you hit your 9th step, I want you to take another set of small steps, turn around, walk 9 steps back to this position, okay? It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Once, you're gonna come back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Do you understand me?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right, you gotta stay in that position, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let me know when you're ready. Get in the position.
I'm ready.
All right, so get ready. Go ahead.
I wasn't counting, son of a bitch.
It's okay.
Are you counting?
I got you. Keep come on. Okay. There's one more test, okay? This is the stand on one leg test, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. I want you to take arms to your sides, feet together. I'm gonna have you lift one leg approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Okay.
Keep your foot flat and your legs straight. I want you to count to 30 out loud. You can begin.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000. My balance isn't the best. I did get surgery done on my foot, so.
Okay. All right. Well, you're done anyways, okay? Okay. Do me a favor. Can you turn around for me? All right. So you're being placed in arrest right now for OVI, okay? For OVI? Physical control, sorry.
What the hell is OVI?
Do you have anything that's going to pull up these 56?
Is this his hat over here?
Go in there, if there's something in there, they find it.
Don't put this on your dash unless you want it somewhere else.
You like that my car?
It's freezing out here.
Oh my god.
This is terrible.
So ready for summertime.
I've had enough of winter for sure.
I think I'll take the higher call volume.
I put his hat on the roof, so don't forget that.
I don't see you with the hat very often.
It's cold.
Yeah. I should have put mine on.
Might have to do urine with this guy.
I don't think I smelled anything.
I didn't smell anything.
But his eyes, I could see his
His
eyes
eyes are
being bloodshot.
heavily bloodshot. I wonder if he's just high out of his mind. So, have you done urine?
I don't think I have. I might go back just to see it. Have you done it in a
I
while?
think I had to do it with a trainee. I think we ended up. We were at the ER and it was like, yeah, he'll give urine, but then he wouldn't give it.
I had that same exact
He
scenario.
was just like a big pain in the ass. So I don't think I've actually successfully gotten it yet.
I think you can get it at the
state.
window.
I think we get it at the station now. So we'll go through all that. I assume we ask him if he'll even give it to us. But yeah, I think it's what we need. I don't think breath is gonna be our best bet here. I should probably watch him. All right. Have you done urine before for
No.
that?
So I smelled alcohol when he was doing his walk and turn. I
Did
did
you
it
really?
early. Yeah, I got a big whiff of it. He breathed out.
Okay,
I got it.
Maybe we'll smell it when we get in the car when it's warmer. If so, then we'll do breath. But otherwise, we'll do urine if we don't.
Okay.
Because
Heat and nystagmus was terrible.
was it?
I nailed it. I nailed it the first time. He hit it first time. I went back on the right side or left side. I didn't get it on the left side again. So I did it again and I buried it. And he was bouncing all over the place.
Okay, I had trouble seeing from my angle, so all right.
No, I nailed him like 3 times on it. That's why I did an extra pass because I knew that first one, like it didn't take on that first one, so then
Okay.
I did it again. But
Okay,
I
good.
got him on that for sure.
All right.
Looks like his plates are expired too.
All right.